India is a rapidly growing economy with a diverse culture. Agriculture is the only culture that holds the unity of India. Agribusiness plays a vital role in strengthening the Indian economy. India ranks second in world agriculture. Agriculture is the most important industry for the nation, contributing 18% to its gross domestic product. Lack of modern technology has led to neglect in the agricultural sector. The next generation of Indian farmers is turning a blind eye to agriculture due to natural disasters. Efforts must be made to revitalize Indian agriculture. In UPL's mission to serve and protect agriculture, development and farmers, we have to remain always ready to meet the needs of agriculture and farmers. Using technology, we are committed to giving agriculture a new direction. A concept of Pro-Nutiva Village has been introduced by UPL for promoting sustainability in Indian agriculture. As part of the Pro-Nutiva Village initiative, a village is adopted to accomplish this resolution. With Pro-Nutiva Village, UPL is committed to taking the farmers out of these problems and providing them with quality advice along with modern technology. 2 villages in Maharashtra have benefited from this project, which was implemented by UPL. The concept of Pro-Nutiva Village was introduced in Rohakadi and Vadule. The concept was implemented in a total area of 500 acres of onion and tomato cultivation. Farmers were provided with 500 kits of Pro-Nutiva and informed about the use of the product. Following the application of Pro-Nutiva by farmers, a 2 to 3 metric ton increase in production per acre was observed last season, with an additional 1,000 metric tons being produced. A higher yield and improved quality led to higher farm incomes. As a result of using Pro-Nutiva, the villages of Rohakadi and Vadule collectively increased their income by around 50 lakh during the Kharif onion and tomato crop.
I used Pro-Nutiva kit in my onion farm and I observed more quantity of onions were produced. And as you can also see, the quality of onions is excellent.
UPL Pro-Nutiva.
Using UPL Pro-Nutiva, we increased onion and tomato production by about 20 to 30%. As a result, our yield and income was increased.
उत्पादन देखील वाढले.
As a result of using UPL Pro-Nutiva kit, our village has seen tremendous development. UPL Pro-Nutiva has played a significant role in increasing production and improving the quality of onions.
The farmers are pleased and happy with the increased income as a result of the successful initiative of Pro-Nutiva. Consequently, the standard of living has improved. UPL aims to revolutionize the agriculture sector and bring it to the digital platform through Nurture Farm app. Nurture Farm app provides farmers with weather forecasts, soil testing, farming equipment, information on government agricultural schemes as well as crop insurance 24/7. This has led to business growth for farmers. In the villages adopted by UPL company, a few social welfare programs have been implemented successfully. A tree planting project was implemented and many trees were planted in the village. A protective shield was placed around the trees. Gram Panchayat offices received 55-inch LED TVs and chairs, which helped organize the farmers and guide them under one roof. Vapor steamer machines were also provided to farmers. Each house was given a nameplate. Every month, there is a discussion on plant health, guiding farmers and spreading awareness about COVID-19. A comprehensive accident insurance policy was provided for the entire village under Pro-Nutiva Mela. UPL has successfully implemented all of these initiatives and the concept of Pro-Nutiva Village. ProNutiva Village, providing farmers with the best physical and digital technologies for sustainable agriculture.